Summertime, the perfect time for the family to get swimming during the hot weather. But with increased use comes increased maintenance needs for your pool. Today, we'll be looking at some top tips on how to treat your pool during the hot weather. During the height of summer, your pool's bather use is often at its peak, with family and friends bursting to cool down. However, with this increased use comes increased chemical demand and usage. That's why it's important at this stage to get a weekly pool water test. The more you and others use your pool, the quicker the water can become unbalanced. I'm joined today by one of our pool water experts who's got some red hot summer pool care tips. So, what types of products and precautions would you recommend?
Well, in summer, it's important to make sure that your pool's chlorine levels are adequate. Hot weather can remove any free chlorine from your pool water, so it's important to check to ensure the hygiene of your swimming experience. Use a stabilizer product to help protect your pool's chlorine from depleting. The stabilizer works kind of like a sunblock for your pool, as it blocks the sun from affecting your chlorine.
During summer, the sun is hotter than ever, with up to 10,000 litres of pool water per month being lost by evaporation alone. A pool blanket is a great option to help reduce this evaporation. This can save you water and money. To find out more about pool blankets, click on the link above. Looking after all these elements will help your pool stay clean and safe for you and your family to use all summer long. Come into your local Poolwerx to stock up on all the high quality products you'll need for the swimming season. If you don't know where your local Poolwerx is, simply click on the link above to find out.
And for more pool smart tips and DIYs, check out the rest of our pool problem solving series.